Hello, welcome to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. I'm going to stuff my envelopes for sinking funds today, and I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Right, and I've got a purple dice today. How have you been? I hope well. I've been good, nothing to complain about. I'll just take this one out so we have no glare. Get it away from the glare. That's it. We can now start. The dice here, that's 4. That's going out. Good. Don't feel like going out. Right, 4 again. Wow. Well, I tell you something, the weather is splendid. The only thing is it's a little chilly, but the sky is blue and the sun is shining brightly, but it's pretty windy and still cold, so it's still not my type of weather. 3, let's leave it as that for hair. I did take some money out the last time, I think. Yeah, 4 again. Going out. I'll just take it out and put it in whatever envelope I need anyway. 2, spending. I'm not tied to any envelopes here. I hope your weekend was good for you, and also, you know, the start of this week. We've got 3, so that's hair. Good, because my hair is due for colour and, you know, a good steam and everything. 5, that's labour. Good, because I need to get some money in this envelope because I want to do a little bit of DIY around the house. I want to paint the skirting boards in my bathroom, and I want to glue down some wallpaper that's slightly lifted in the living room. So I've got some DIYs to do, and I'm going to enjoy that very much. 5, that's labour again. Good. I do like to do DIYs around the house in the winter though, because I know that I can't go out to really do anything in the garden or anything. I like to do my DIYs in autumn, winter. 4, going out. I can always take money from the going out and use it for any other envelope that I need. And 5, that's labour again. Good. That's it. And I'm glad I haven't got anything to put in hobbies, because I'm not buying any hobbies, any crafting or anything like that. Well-being, I've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. I did take out the money out of hobbies to put back in the bank for what I spent off my card. So well-being's okay for now. Don't need anything in well-being. I'm just thinking though, shall I put well-being to the back and get something else, get another envelope out? I'll really think about it and I'll get that done. Spending now has 5, 10, 15, 20. And hair, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Great, looking good. Lovely. I was supposed to get my hair done last month, but I just could not be bothered, you know, 'cause I'm not going anywhere. So as long as I deep condition it and keep it moisturized, then it's fine. Right, so we got for going out 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 pounds. Oh dear. And for labour, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Great. Yeah, so that could buy a very small, I only need a small tin of paint for the bathroom skirting boards. I've only got a very small bathroom. I can actually do the toilet doesn't need, because that's fully tiled. So it's just the, yeah, just the bottom. I could do the hallway skirting boards as well if I want to, so I'll see how that goes. Well, I think everything went well today. It certainly did. Going out will get distributed. I'm just thinking, I've got to think, because I do have another envelope that I could use to start saving some sinking funds in. I have to think about it and get it put Wellbeing behind, because I've got enough money in Wellbeing. I don't need anything, so I'll see how that goes. Anyway, that's it. If you liked this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves, and I will see you back really soon. Bye for now.